Dear shareholders, I'm back again. This time, I successfully ported VS Code to HarmonyOS PC. This is a simple preview video, with some bugs to fix, but it's mostly done. First, features like code highlighting are normal. Image previews are also fine. Markdown can also edit and preview properly. Basic functions like search and get are also available. You can also freely install extension plugins. The terminal is implemented in Kmode mode. But to run HarmonyOS at the same time, all commands are still required. Let me briefly introduce it first. What comes up are some tweaks. Thank you all for watching.